everyone, my name is Mona Ratnani. Currently, I am pursuing my Masters of Science in Information and Technology from UCA Tersaria University, Maliba campus. So today I am here to talk about advantages and disadvantages of jobs in IT sector. So there are numerous advantages and disadvantages of jobs in IT sector. So we'll talk about the advantages first. So the very first advantage is guaranteed income. So, if we are talking about the income or salary, so the employees who are working in some company, they got the good pay at the end of the month. They do not have to worry about the loss and profit of the company. So, this is the one of the advantage. If you are the owner of the company, you have to face this phase, like if you are getting the loss or profit in the company, it may get affected to the ownership, but we do not have to worry about it if we are working as an employee. So the next advantage is fixed working hours. So if you are working as an employee in any of the company, you have fixed working hours. Instead of worrying about the lot of working hours or thinking about the deadlines, you have to work for fixed hour. If you are working as a employee in any of the company. So this was also one of the advantage of working in an IT sector or pursuing a job in IT sector. So the third advantage is less responsibility. So if you are working as an employee, you have very less responsibilities compared to ownership. So this is also one of the advantage of pursuing a job. The fourth advantage is learning new skills. If you are working as an employee in any of the company, when you are doing some job in the company, then the responsibility increases as you are given some task. So you can learn very new things, and you can learn many of the new things from other employees as well. So this was also one of the advantage of pursuing job in the company. So the next advantage is reducing boredom. So reducing workplace boredom means, like, you do not have to worry about the all the stuff or all the processes and functionalities. You have to only complete your own task, which reduces your boredom. So this was also one of the advantage of working as an employee in the company. The next advantage is recognition. So if you are working in some company, and if you are doing some very good task, then you get the recognition from your company owner. So it helps you to enhance your skills, and it motivates you to work daily. This is also one of the advantage of working as an employee. Then the last advantage is holidays and sick leaves. So if you are pursuing a job in IT sector, you have this advantage of taking the holiday leaves and sick leaves, which is very important for your mental health. So this was all about the advantages of jobs or pursuing a job as an employee. So now we will move towards the disadvantages of pursuing job. So the very first disadvantage is lack of training, you can say. So if you are working as an employee, you have lot of responsibilities, and you have lot of tasks assigned. So you have to work on it, you have to give your 100% in it, and you have to learn very new technologies on daily basis. So you get updated in the environment. So the owner should get some profit from you. For that, you need lot of skills. Then the next disadvantage is increasing workload. So if you are working as an employee at very good position, then you will have definitely a increase in your workload, which means that you have to work as a leader, or you have to work as a project manager in the company. You have lot of responsibilities. As they are paying you, they will ask you to do all the jobs in timely manner also. So this was also one of the disadvantage of a job. The third one is like conflicts with non-participants. So if you are not very introvert, or if you are not talking with someone in the company, then you will be facing this problem. You have to be very talkative and very communicating with the team members, which will help you to enhance your skills. So this was also one advantage of the disadvantages of jobs. Then the fourth one is little control. So as an owner, you have the ownership of whole company and whole project, but as an employee, you will have a very little control to the some of the task or some of the functionalities instead of whole project. So this is also considered as disadvantages of working in IT sector or pursuing a job in any of the sector. Then the fifth disadvantage is less job security. If you are working as an employee in some company, then if you are not performing well or your performance is degrading day by day, the owner will not think about any of the other stuff. He or she is only concerned about the profit of the company, so they can kick you out at any time. So these are the few disadvantages of working as an employee in a company. So this was all about the advantages and disadvantages of jobs in IT sector. Thank you.